Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hopefully you guys are all having an awesome day. Today we have a very exciting video because we are doing yet another room makeover. And if you guys couldn't tell already, I'm in a different setting. I'm actually in my parents' bathroom, and I will be giving their bathroom a huge makeover, kind of similar to the makeover I already did. So if you haven't watched that video yet, check it out. But it will definitely be a different take on it, a little bit more girly, because even though this is my parents' bathroom, this is basically like my mom's bathroom. Like, she has like a huge perfume collection, and just like half of her stuff or most of her stuff is on here. It's like covering my dad's entire sink side. So I'm going to try to like make more room for him and just really create a more modern and open space. Right now, like, all the cabinets are that same kind of reddish orange color, but the countertops are like a dark gray color, and because the tiles on the ground are actually already dark, I feel like it just darkens up the space rather than brightens it up. So I'm going to be like painting the cabinets white and just doing the countertops white as well, just to bring out a brighter feel into the room. And my parents are actually away on vacation right now. They're on a little weekend getaway for their 25th anniversary. So I'm going to be surprising them with this bathroom makeover. So when they come back, they will be welcomed to a brand new bathroom. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited for this, and please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to start on the cabinets. I decided to invest in this little template right here. Well, I really wouldn't say invest because it was like $2, but $2 very well spent. And this is essentially a hardware template for cabinets and drawers. It ranges from 3 to 5 inches, so I used this to mark where I needed to drill my holes for my knobs and my pulls, which definitely saved me some time. And I will leave it linked below if you guys want to use that as well. For the drawers, I measured the length and the height of the drawers in order to find the center point, and made sure to align the template where I marked it to ensure that I had leveled drill holes. Once the holes were drilled, I removed all the cabinets off the hinges and the drawers as well, and took them all downstairs to start sanding them down for painting. To sand down the cabinets and the drawers, I am going in with a 120 grit sand sponge I got from Home Depot. You can also use a 220 to do a final polish on it, but I found that the 120 grit sand sponge was good enough to finish off the cabinets and the drawers and have a good base to paint. Now I'm just laying out these red cups to prop it up in order for me to lay the cabinets on top of, so that I can get around the edges when it comes to painting. For paint, I am going in with Bear's Ultra in Ultra Pure White and a semi-gloss finish, and that finish is the recommended finish for when you are painting cabinets and things like that. It is extremely durable and easily cleaned, and is also mildew resistant, which is perfect for what we need for a bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these cabinets and drawers to dry overnight, and in the meantime we're gonna go ahead and head back upstairs to work on the frame of the sink. Because I didn't remove everything from the cabinets, because quite frankly I was lazy, I was sure to be careful around the edges so that I didn't splash any paint on my parents' stuff inside of their cabinets. Day 2 is all about the countertops, and I will be applying contact paper all over the counters. Of course, contact paper, you guys know me. This is the ultimate way I can really transform a room on a budget, and I'm just cutting it into smaller pieces so that it's a lot easier to work with as I move across the countertops. I want to give you guys some tips and tricks when it comes to the application of the contact paper, especially around the sink area, because that is the most challenging part. So when you reach the sink, you want to make sure you push the contact paper with your card or whatever it is that you're using close to the sink as possible and cut along the ledge of the sink. Don't cut directly between the space between the sink and the counter, because once you make a cut, the tension of the contact paper releases and that can give you an inaccurate cut. Not gonna lie to you guys, this is a very long and extremely tedious process because every now and then you'll get the air bubbles and you'll have to lift up the contact paper again and reapply. But don't worry about making any lines too perfect, especially around the sink. You are going to be caulking those later on to give a seamless finish, but yeah. Even though this is my second time around applying contact paper on a countertop, I still found that this was the most challenging part of the whole project, but definitely well worth it because it makes a huge difference in your space. I also applied contact paper all along the tub of my parents' bathroom. It had that same dark grayish color as the countertop, so I wanted to make sure to cover that up so that the bathroom has a cohesive look. And I discovered the best thing to use when you're applying contact paper, and that is the squeegee, which is basically that thing I'm using in the clips right now. You basically use that usually for windows to like clean off the water and stuff, but it is perfect for getting rid of air bubbles and giving it a nice smooth look. After a day of applying the contact paper, I brought up all the drawers and the cabinets up from the garage and started putting them back onto the frame of the sink.
Hey guys, it's been a little bit since I popped in here and said something to you guys. So I just finished installing all the cabinets and the drawers back onto the frame, and I thought I might as well share what type of drawers and knobs I got because they are different from the last bathroom makeover I did. So I got these square ones that are gonna go onto the cabinets, and then I got these drawer pulls also from Amazon that are gonna go on the drawers. This one's actually 4 inches because I feel like the cabinets on here are actually much longer than the ones that were in my bathroom prior. So yeah, let's go ahead and install these.
We have reached my favorite part of any room makeover, and that is the decor. Right now I am placing these cupcake holders that I'm actually going to be using as perfume displays to display all of my mom's really expensive perfumes. So I'm leaving the most expensive ones that I know of in the front and leaving anything else at the bottom or on the top. My mom has plenty of perfumes and not all of them fit, but I'm leaving the ones that I feel like look the most aesthetic.
I like this little time we have together just talking.
This little Victorian egg that I'm putting at the top here is something that my mom has had for as long as I can remember, and inside is actually my mom's engagement ring along with my dad's, so I thought it would be the perfect topper for all of these perfumes.
guys, so the decor and everything is now up. The bathroom looks so good. I am going to go ahead and record the reactions and show them their new bathroom. Okay.
I'm excited.
Wait, step closer. Step closer. Tell them to step closer. Okay, ready?
Yeah, open now.
Yeah, go.
Wow! Beautiful. I did not expect it to turn out that. Oh my god, though.
You guys remember how your bathroom looked like before?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. I love this. Oh my god, great job, baby. Oh my god. Oh, yes.
Yeah, I got a display.
Yes, oh, good job. Oh, I love this too.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah. I think
Oh my god.
Yeah,
This is nice. This is really nice. Oh my god, honey.
Yeah.
Did she have
Good job,
outer here too?
Yeah.
Really?
Wow, amazing. You should be an interior design?
Yeah.
Yeah, interior design. No, whatever. Wow.
Very nice though.
like a open house.
Yeah.
Bathroom.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Yay! Glad you guys like it. This is so nice.
Yes.
I know.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the end of this video. I am so happy with the way this room turned out. I literally feel like it is a bathroom that you can display at an open house, and I am super proud of this. Not only because this was my biggest project and the most challenging one, but my parents totally loved it and were really surprised, and I'm just really glad that I was able to finish this. I will be also doing another room makeover on my kitchen, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But let me know what you guys think of this bathroom in the comments down below. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up because I did work really hard on this and I feel like it looks really awesome. Even though it's a little bit more on the girly side, I think it's a bathroom that now both my parents can use, my mom and hopefully my dad, now that he has some space over there. But yeah, so thanks again for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below for more room makeovers, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!